What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with a new section, and that it will be, let's come here, let's add the full width right here, and then here would be the blurb. So we guys now know how the blurb works. We now know how button works. You can create unlimited buttons. We now know how call to action works. Okay, and we also know how to search the circle counter. So let's add a call to action right now here first. Okay, I'm gonna add hello. Okay, and then I am gonna add the button. So button is going to be button 1. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the content right here. Okay, I'm gonna add the link right here. So button URL is going to be this right here, /hash. Okay, and then I have the background, so you can add the background if you want to. I'm just gonna choose the black and the golden. So I'm just gonna work with the gradient right here. Here we go. Okay, so this is looking cool. Okay, this is how the call to action works. So you can, how call to action works. Call to action is basically like a slider, like a header. Okay, you can pretty well add anything here, and then you can change these. You can add it anywhere if you want to. Okay, you can just go to design right here, and then you can go to the text right here, and then you can align it to the left. So this is how the call to action is looking. Okay, so this is how you can manage it. You can add this call to action anywhere you want to. Okay, and this is how it works. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna make it the full width. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the design right here, I'm gonna go to the sizing, and I'm gonna make it full width. Use gutter width, and let's make it 1. Okay, now let's click this, and let's just bring this to the top. Okay, same like this, and same like this. So here we have a call to action right here. I'm gonna click this guy right here again, and I'm gonna hit regular, and I'm gonna click this guy right here. So let's add another, and that is the circle counter. So you guys already know about how circle counters work. This is how the circle counter works. So I'm gonna add I am the boss. Okay, and I'm gonna add anything right here. So I'm gonna add that how much percent you want, how much percent I want. So I'm gonna choose it to be 95. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, so I'm gonna hit enter right here, and then you can see that I'm done till here. I'm gonna go to this guy right here, and I'm gonna choose it to be 4 bit. So you can see 4 are coming here. I'm gonna duplicate it from here, duplicate it, and let's just bring it and drop it right here. So you can see all these counters are right coming here as same exactly. Here we go. I can make it the full width if I want to. Okay, so you can see that now we are also done with the counters as well. So let's go to the new one. Let's go to the regular right here. You can also design this if you want to. Okay, so let's come here and let's add this guy right here. And here we want to add, so basically let's come here and let's change the size of it. Okay, if you guys do not know, you have to just come here to the circle, and then you have to go to the text, the sizing. Okay, and then you can choose the width, so how you want the width to be. So you can decrease it, increase it, the way you want it. You can choose it, and then you can also change the background color of the circle color as well. So okay, you can see this is how the circle color is in the background. Okay, like this. So this is how it works. You can also make it the full, so you can see this is how the circle color is coming like here. So you can also remove full circle color. If you want to remove this whole circle, you can also remove it from here. Then we have the sizing, you can control it. We have spacing, we have the border, we can also apply the border and the animation as well. So let's come here, and let's basically come here and add the module of the code. So you guys already know about how code works. We have the comments right here. So let's add the comments, and you can see these are the comments right here appearing. We have show author avatar, show reply button, show comments count, and then we have the background right here. Then we have the admin label. So this is the design right here. Let's come here and let's just click here and let's save it. Okay, so since this is a page, we cannot work with this, but you can see that here we can add the comments right here. So people can comment on here, and people can reply here, and this is how it will work. So let's see if this is working on the page section, if these comments are appearing on the page section, so that we can try if this works or not. Okay, no, this is not coming on this, but you can add it. You have to just click edit page, and then there is some settings for that, but this is usually done with the blog post. So if you are editing the blog post, then you can add that comment section. Okay, let's add the discussion right here and allow comments. Let's hit update. Okay, and since this is a page, and I would not recommend you to add comments on the pages, because comments are not added in there. So you can see now, you can see that this comments are coming right like this. Okay, so this is how it is working. If I just add any comment right here and I just hit submit comment, you can see this comment will be submitted. Here we go. So let's hit this guy right here, and let's save it. So now we have to work with another one, and that will be the regular section. We have to just click this guy right here, and then let's add one more. So we have to add contact form. You guys already know. We have the countdown timer. Countdown timer also is amazing. So you can show it for the sale products, like when we will create e-commerce website, I will show you that why they are so amazing and why they are so best. So you can just choose that how much the countdown will work. So you can see this is how I've chosen this date, and the R will be like how much R I want. So R is 12 hours and minute is this. So this is how the minutes is working, and this is how the countdown timer is working, that I have 7 days left for the sale to end. So if I am running a sale on my web page, to get every order will be having 25% off. So I can show the counter like this. So this looks also amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna make this row the full width, the gutter width, change it, save, make it full, make this full. Okay, let's come here, let's bring this, and let's bring this right here. So I'm gonna add a new section right here, and let's add a regular one more. Let's add the full one. Let's go down and let's see that what are we left with. So we have contact form, countdown timer, this, and email opt-in. This is used for the subscribe form, that you can add the MailChimp integration into this. Okay, so you can select a list, you can select the mail provider, and then you can select a list, and this is how this will work like this. I will show you how you can work with the MailChimp later on when we will be doing the email marketing. Okay, so let's come here, let's just add a full regular width right now here again, and let's add a full one. So I'm gonna add right now would be portfolio. So we will be loading portfolio in the upcoming video. And then we have the gallery right here, so you can show the gallery right here if you want to. Okay, it will show you all the images that you have right here. Okay, so it will show you your gallery. If you want to show the gallery here, you can display the images, that how you want the images to be displayed. So you can show 5 images. Then we have the elements. You can show title and caption. If you don't want to show the pagination, you can also hide the pagination as well. Okay, let's come here to this guy right here, and let's choose it to be 4. Let's come here to the elements. Let's come here to the background and the admin label. So you can see everything is looking totally okay. I'm going to go to the layout right now, and you can see this is great. And the thumbnail orientation is landscape. I can also shift it to portrait, and portrait will be like this. Okay, like iPhone mode. Okay, like phone mode. Okay, I'm not just promoting the iPhone now. I usually get so many emails saying that I always promote iPhone, so I'm sorry guys if I have done that. So what I'm gonna do right now, I want to make this amazing. So I'm gonna come here to row setting. I'm gonna go to design right here. I'm gonna go to the alignment, sizing, and then make it full width. Okay, I also want to go to the custom gutter width, and I'm gonna make it 1. So you can see they're now coming like this. So this is how it is working. You can also equalize column height, so it looks amazing. Okay, now let's come here and let's hit this, and you can see how this is looking. I'm gonna go down right here, and let's add one more. So I'm gonna add the regular right here. Let's add a full width, and let's go down to there. We have the login tab. So this will be for if you want to design your login page that people can come here and log into your website. So you can also work with that as well. Okay, I'm gonna come here, and here we can see this is the login username and password. So I can design this as well if I want to design. And if the person is logged in, then this will, you have to forget your password also. This will redirect him to the WP login-php forget password. Okay, so you can also work with this. You can also redirect to the current page. Okay, then we have the background, we have the design right here, so you can also design this as well. So you guys already know about the designing, that how you want the form field color, background color, and everything, and the button color as well. So you can choose custom style for button. I need water very badly. Okay, so you can see how these icons are coming. So you can pretty well do that. I'm just gonna click here, and I'm gonna click here right again, and I have to click regular. So I'm going to use the full width right now, and I'm going to choose. We guys now know about the map. We guys know about the number counter. We guys have to find about the person. So how you can add the person, like you can add a team section in the about section where you can show your team members. Okay, you can just come here. You have to enter the name of the person. Okay, the position, he is the CEO of this, and the Facebook profile URL, this Twitter profile, Google Plus profile, LinkedIn profile, and you can see this is coming right here. You can also show the description. Tanzil or Rahman is the current CEO of this crap company. Okay, and I'm just gonna come here to the image right here, and I need to upload the image. So I just have one single image that I like the most. I don't know why, but my girlfriend doesn't like it. Okay, so you can see this is how it is coming. So you can add this, the profile, if you want to add the person details. This is how you can add it. Okay, same like this. You can you can make the changes of this. You can go to the image right here, and you can see the image border width. You can also just increase the image border width. Okay, you can also round the corner. You can also make this image to the circle. So if I just add 25, or let's add 500, so you can see this is now turned into circle. So you can also do it like that. If you want to add the our team section, you can just come here, and then you can select this, so you can see how this is looking like. So this is now turned into our team section. I'm gonna come here right here, and I'm gonna go to the image right here, and then I can go to the image border width. I'm gonna change this to 0. Now I'm gonna go to the text right here, and I'm gonna align this to center, so you can see how this is looking. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring it right here, bring this right here, and bring this right here. So you can see I have 4 team members right here. I can change him to be the manager, watchman, and he is sweeper. Okay, I'm gonna click this save, and you can see this is totally done. So I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna add a new section right here. I'm gonna click regular, and now let's add one more. I'm sorry guys, I want to drink water. I'll just do it when I'm just done with this. Okay, so you can see that I'm done with the person. We'll be working with the portfolio in the upcoming video. We have the post navigation. This is also great. Okay, let's add it. You can see how this is gonna look. Previous text link, next text link. Categories, let's select in the same category. So custom taxonomy name, we have to select uncategorized. So I'm gonna come here, and here you can see that we are done with the person right here, the portfolio, and we also are done with the post navigation. So let's come here to the post navigation right here, and let's come here to the categories. So we need to add the categories right here in the same category. Okay, and here would be the taxonomy. So I want to add the taxonomy name, so here would be the uncategorized. So let's see if this works. So I don't know why aren't doing this. Everything gets lost, and this TV is just going crazy. I don't know why this is happening, but this is a bug that the Wii has right now. So you cannot show the post navigation settings right now. I hope they just add the update soon. I don't know why. You can see that my page is unresponsive. My PC fan is just be like, and this is just like this. You can see page unresponsive. So I just have to click exit page. Okay, let's come here and let's refresh this. So on refreshing this, you'll see your data will not be lost, so don't panic. Okay, if you are doing side by side to me, you have to just click restore and every your data will be given back to you. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm just gonna come here and let's add a new section right here. Okay, I want to come here and I want to delete this guy right here because this suck. So I want to come here and I want to go down and we have the post slider. So you guys already know about how the post slider works. We added that in the full width post slider. We have the search bar, so you can also add the search bar, and then we have the shop. So we will be working up with the shop tab later on because we will be creating e-commerce website, then we will show the shop because we don't have it right now, so that is why we cannot add them. Same like that, we can also add the sidebar, that how we can add. So if I just click here sidebar, you can see I can select the widget area. So if I just select sidebar widget, you will see that these sidebar widgets will appear like here. This is how they are coming. Okay, so now let's hit this. You can also just make it look like the sidebar. So if I just come here and I just decrease the size of it, then you can see how they're coming. So if I just make it the full width, and then I have to come here to the settings right here, and then I have to go to the design, the layout, and show border separator. So orientation is right, so I can align this anywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and I want to just make it full. Now let's come here and let's just click this guy right here, and we need to add one more. Let's come here to the regular right here and let's add the full width. So I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna go down till I find the new one. So we have the slider, and the last one we have is the social media follow. You can add them. They are also really great for a website. So I'm gonna select the social network. This is the Facebook. I'm gonna add a link. I'm gonna add a link right here, hash. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the background. So if I want to add the background color, I can also add the background color. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna add a new one, and this is going to be the Twitter. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna add a new one, and this is going to be Google Plus. I'm gonna add a new one, and this is going to be the Pinterest. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna add one more. So this is going to be the Instagram. So I'm gonna come here to the design right here and let's design it. So you can go to the spacing right here, you can go to the border right here, you can go to the box shadow, the filters, and everything. Okay, and then we go to the this guy right here and go to the design, and then we can work with the alignment of this. So if you want to align this to center, we can also change the text of it. Okay, we can also change the sizing, spacing, and the border and everything like here. Okay, I can go to the content right here, and then I go to the icon, and then you can see that I have the follow button right here. Okay, so you can also do it like this. We have the background right here, and then we have the admin label. So you can pretty well manage it like how you want it to be. Okay, if you want to increase the sizing of this, you can just add some padding. Okay, let's come here to the box shadow, and then we have these settings right here. So you can see this is how the social media follow works. Okay, so now what we want to do, we want to just click here, and now here I want to add one more section, and that will be a regular again, and I want it to be full width. Let's go down, and here we have the tabs right here. So let's add these tabs. Okay, in these tabs, what you can do, you can just add it. You can add a title right here. Okay, and then here would be the content. So let's come here to the ellipsum feed/html. Okay, and I want to grab these right here. So I want to grab this full. Okay, let's copy. Let's come here and let's paste it right here. And now here we can add some 2 tabs right here. So this is how it's gonna work. This is a new example of that. So if you want to add one more, and then here you can add some. So this how this is gonna work. Let me add one more. Let me just come here and let me duplicate it. Okay, now if I just click here, you can see how this is coming. So if I just click here, this one is coming. If I just click here, this one is coming. So this is how you can pretty well manage it, that how you want the next tab to be. And you can just edit it from this side only. Okay, so this is how these tab works. I'm going to click here and I'm going to hit regular right here. And I need a full width again. And here we want to work with, okay, so we haven't worked with the pricing tables right here. So let's add these pricing tables. I'm going to click here, and you can see they are right here. I'm going to come here, and here should be the title. So this title is going to be Super Plan. Okay, my subtitle will be Subtitle Best for Web Developer. Okay, and then here would be the currency. So my currency is dollar. Okay, and then here is bar. So if your pricing is subscription based, input the subscription payment cycle here. So I just want to add the price right here. So you can see this is 45 per month. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm just gonna come here to the button text right here, and this is going to be buy now. Okay, now here we want to add the context right here. So in the context we can add pretty well anything. Okay, now I'm gonna come here to the link right here, and this link is going to be hash. Okay, what I have to do right now, I need to go to the background so I can also manage the background right here. I'm gonna come here, and I am going to just to not show the bullet. I'm going to copy this and duplicate it for one more. Okay, we have 3 plans right here. I'm going to change this plan to be super duper plan. Sorry, duper plan. Best for freelancer. Okay, and here we can also change this to be gorilla plan. Best for gorillas. Okay, there we go. You can see this is how it is looking. We have the buy now option as well, and everything is looking cool right here till here. I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna go to the design right here, and I'm gonna go to the layout. So we have the featured table background color. We can also make anything the featured. Okay, I'm gonna click here to this guy right here, and I'm gonna go to the text right here. Let's go down and okay, let's just click this guy right here. Okay, let's come here. Let's go back. Let's come here to the elements. So, okay, what I want to do, I want to just come here to this guy right here, and the bullet. We don't want to show the bullet right here. Okay, we have the layout right here. So featured table background color would be, so if you want to make anyone featured, you can also make the featured. Center item list, because we want to center them. Okay, and the currency and frequency test, so you can make it like how you want the frequency to be. And we have the default currency, so you can also change it. Like if you change it, you can see this is changed to $ month per month like this. Okay, and then we have the price text. So we have the button text right here. We have the filters, and then we have these stuff right here. Okay, I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna add a new one. So you can also add unlimited, that how you want it to be. Here would be the link, and here would be the background. So let's come here and let's just delete it. Okay, and if you want to make anyone the bigger, so you can also make it bigger. So you can make it the featured plan, basically. Okay, you just have to come here. You have to come here to the layout, mark this table featured. So if you just feature it, you can see this is now like this. So if I just click here, you can see best for freelancers is basically featured one. So you can also change this in the full design setting. You can see the featured background color can be like this, or anywhere that how you want it to be. Okay, and then we have the centralized item show featured table drop shadow. So you can hide it and show it if you want to. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. So thanks a lot guys for watching this. And now in the next video we will be working a bit more because my video is going so big. So thanks a lot guys, and in the next video we'll add with more functionalities, and I hope that I try to explain every single plan to you guys. So goodbye.